Good morning, everyone. Um, this is a swing analysis for NZDUSD. So, I'm on the daily time frame. I gotta zoom in a bit so you can see it clearly. I just have to mark out two extreme where the market has been, should I say, oscillating around. The market has been around this zone for quite some time. Yeah, and quickly let me place a little distinction here so we can. The market has touched this point, went back, so and it broke through it at this very point. Now making a new high, and when we go back this way, let me zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we can see it. Okay, zoom in. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it. If you watch, you will see that the market here at those points went back to this high. So on the daily, we're on a resistance. Don't forget, we're on a resistance on the daily. So let's quickly jump down to the 4 hours time frame. I do take most of my trade from the 4 hours and the 1 hour. I do not trade the daily, please. You need lots of money and a very huge stop loss to trade the daily. I trade sometimes the 4 hours, and if time permits, if I'm less busy, I jump down to the 1 hour. So for now, I'm going down to the 4 hours, already in the 4 hour. Let me quickly zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in already. Not a little. Okay, let me get my trend line so we can mark up this. See what the market is doing. So we are expecting a break. The market is expecting a break. So it's gonna be a sell. It's gonna be a very huge sell. It's gonna be a very huge sell. So jump down to still getting things done, just to watch what I'm doing. Let me insert the text for you here. So we're expecting a sell from this point to this point here. So for every one of us, just make sure that you are trading with an amount of money you can afford to lose. Never you forget the concept of time frame. It really matters. Your time frame really matters. So for me, I'm taking this trade and it's a sell. No cost for alarm. It's a sell and I'm taking this trade. Then what is gonna happen is that towards the end of the week, I will be back to give a trade confirmation of what transpired. Not minding, however, at least we are sure of some level of peeps from this very trade. So let me quickly go over to the next pair and drop some analysis on it. Remember, we're on a daily resistance. This is a daily resistance, so don't forget. Let me help you place something on it. Daily resistance. So this is a daily resistance. We are trading from a daily resistance. Now we'll go to the lower time frame. Remember, we spotted this on the daily, and we now went down to the 4 hours time frame to take our trade. On the 4 hours time frame, we are taking a trade from the 4 hours time frame. So spot a setup on the higher time frame, go to the lower time frame to take your trade. It will help you to use lesser stop loss and quick entry. Smaller stop loss and quick entry. Yeah, it's take a lot of pips and movements before the movements on the smaller time frame begin to compound or reflect on the higher time frame. That's why when we spot a setup on the higher time frame, when I spot a setup on the higher time frame, I'll quickly jump down to the lower time frame and take a trade from it.